Hello and welcome. I am Yogesh. This is the first episode of a series of tutorials that will teach how to use Lowcoder in easy steps. This is a very simple application that I will demonstrate to you, and we'll be building that app in later episodes, one piece at a time. This is a very simple to-do app. Consider this to be a hello world application that you usually see in other low-code tools or any other development tools. This to-do application will allow you to create your own to-do, set the due date for the to-do, as well as the priority of the to-do. We are using a third-party API to build this to-do app, and that API is called Mockoon API. This is a very simple, free-to-use API that provides lot of dummy data, but we are going to use the to-do dummy data. This is a fake to-do dummy data, and the structure of the dummy data is like this: ID, title, completed, priority, and due date. This particular playground API has a lot of ready to use methods that we just have to call to perform various activities. For example, to get list of to do, we will have to use the get. To get one particular to do, we'll have to again use the get with the ID of the to do. To add or insert a to do, we'll have to call the post. To update to do, we'll have to call either put or patch. And to delete a to do, we'll have to call the delete method. Lowcoder supports all these different types of methods: get, post, put, patch, delete. So we'll be using that feature. Okay, enough of theory. Now let's see the application in action. The API returns lots of to-do sample data. So there are hundreds such things, and I have configured it to show 6 to-do per page. So let's go to the last page, and you can see that there are 100 items. Those items which are striked out means that these particular items have been completed. Their status, this one. The completed is set to true. So when the completed is true, we will strike the to do out, so that when we look at the to do, we know that which to dos are completed and which to dos are still not completed. We can also edit a to do by clicking over here. When we click on the edit to do, this is how the screen would look. You will not be able to edit the description of to do, but you'll be able to change the date. You'll be able to change the priority, and you'll be able to set whether the to-do is completed or not and say update. When you do that, it will automatically update, as you can look at the message over here. And when the screen is refreshed, you'll be able to see the effect. Like we set it to completed and priority to 2. So the priority has been updated and this to-do has been striked out, showing that it is completed. That's all for this episode. In the next episode, we will start building this application step by step. Thank you.